Everyone, I am Rituparna Mukherjee from Techqflowsoftware solutions situated in Hyderabad. So today my topic is who is product owner and the roles and responsibilities of the product owner. And the reason for taking this topic is because on our YouTube channel we are getting many more queries regarding the product owner. So I think and I thought that I should pick up this topic today, and it will be a very brief discussion on that product owner. I will just try to give you an idea what the product owner, who is the product owner, and the roles. So today actually, because before starting this topic, let us first see why are we discussing about the product owner and what are the job scopes of the product owner nowadays. So as we all know, the job scope of the product owner is increasing day by day over the past few years, because technology is increasing rapidly and the new products are being developed rapidly over the past few years. So in 2020, in LinkedIn released a report that the scope of the product owner's job has increased almost 24% all globally. So now we can understand, so the product owner's job field is the most sought after and the lucrative job field at present. So now I am going to start my main content of the video. So who is product owner? So product owner is a role on the Scrum team who works on the Agile framework. And the main accountability of the product owner is to maximize the value of the product, and that to communicate to the whole team and the organization. And also he needs to focus on the ROI, that means return on investment. So what the organization is getting in return of the investment. Next is product owner mainly represent the customer to the whole development team. He is or she is the mirror of the customer. The product owner needs to anticipate the customer needs, and in doing so he needs to have a very good market situation idea, and he needs to have a capability to address them. So product owner also needs to be involved in the whole development process in collaboration with the developers, stakeholders and the whole Scrum team. And in doing so, he needs to participate in the designing, review, sprint, planning, all the required fields. The main accountability of the product owner is to maintain the product backlog. Now what is product backlog? So product backlog is the main source of the work that needs to be done to develop a product. So product owner is accountable to maintain that product backlog updated with the emerging needs of the product, and make sure that this product backlog does not become static. It's an ongoing process. Now the product owner needs to put himself or herself into the customer's shoe, just to understand the mindset of the customer. How product owner can do that? He or she can ask him or herself some few questions. Who are my target customer, or what they value, or how can I discover the hidden satisfaction or dissatisfaction of the customer, or how can I discover the unmet customer needs, etc. There are many questions. It depends on the product owner, how he or she can think out of the box. So these are the very brief idea about that product owner and how he or she can work. So now let's see some job requirements of the product owner. Any candidate who has a bachelor degree in any relevant field, whether it's arts, commerce or business administration, whatever, he or she can proceed to be a product owner. Any freshers or any student who is interested to be a product owner can join in organization as an intern and do that internship that will add as an experience and value to that person's resume. Now, and that person needs to have a very good knowledge on agile framework. And now this agile framework, they can gain knowledge to attain some agile and scrum certified courses. There are some certified courses on agile and scrum, and they will get certified and get that certificate after ending that course, because some organizations, they ask for that certification. Now, so this is my very brief discussion about the product owner today. But before ending that video, let me ask you a question, just to know that whether you have paid attention or not, or I'm just talking. So, okay, jokes apart, my question is, so is the product owner is the sole responsible person to manage the product backlog? You can put your answers on our comment box, and please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. So that's all for today, and I wish you very good luck on your career path. Thank you for watching.